Monday morning, and I am checking my lane fence because I've got to move the cattle from one pasture to another pasture that's on the other side of the ranch. And so I'm checking gates to make sure that I've set up my gates so that cattle end up where I need them. So I'll walk you through that process. And I've got to move the cattle from where they are over there through this lane fence. I think my gates, and I need them to move along there because I'm going to put them in a pasture behind these trees. All right, so I've set up the gates so that instead of going straight or going this to this end, they're going to turn and then go down to behind those trees. So I'm going to let them graze in the lane because I've got to pick up my poly wires and T-posts so I can set up the new paddocks. So they'll enjoy being in here for about an hour or so. And in the meantime, they'll meander to where I need them to go.